Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is the 5th of July 2022. It's a Tuesday. And I'm gonna do a trade recap on my Nvda trade. So let's start off with the Camarilla pivots. We have S3 yesterday. Well, not yesterday, at Friday. Well, last trading day, which was Friday. At 149.65. Excuse me, today I have a cold, so forgive me if I cough into the mic and sound horrible on the mic or whatever. So today R3 is at 147.05 and S3 is at 143.36. So we have a lower value day. And this was my Papa Bear strategy, my Papa Bear setup, where we're pushing down, we're opening below S3 and around S4, and I'm looking for the pop back up to R3. And let's see, hold on, let's make this bigger. Right, so my strategy is that the Papa Bear strategy is where I'm looking for. Oh man, hold on. Let's get this right. Right, so I'm looking for at the open. I'm looking for the pop back up to S3, and I actually didn't really wait for the pop back up to S3, and I keep messing up my strategy, man. I don't know why I keep doing that. I keep jumping in too early, because if I did wait, I would probably have gotten this move right here, right? But I didn't get that move. Excuse me. So I entered too early, which was these entries right here. We were breaking down S4, and I took the break of VWAP as well when we popped back up. Added to the position here on the break of VWAP. This was bad because it's still above S4, and I took another add at the break of S4, and she just ripped up on me. Let's see. I finally went and got like this arrow, the update, the Epic Pen Pro or something like that. So my arrows is much neater right now, So yeah, so I added right here. Hold on. So I added right here, and she popped back up on me, broke above VWAP, heavy volume, went crazy on me. So I saw the rejection at S3, which is still within the Papa Bear strategy, where we're looking for the retest of S3. So on the rejection, added here, added right here, and we came back down. But I don't really partial too much, that's not really my thing. I'm looking to capture the move, right? So we came back down, we retested S4 at 141.52, shot back up, So I had to stop out. We broke above S3, so good risk management, I guess, but poor entries, very poor entries right here. These entries would have been good, This fits in within the strategy. These entries right here would have been good, and I could have probably gotten a break-even trade if it popped back up on me like around here, or above VWAP. If it popped back above VWAP, then that would have been a good trade. Nothing would have been wrong with that. But this right here, I'm entering too early, adding too much risk for no reason. It's not working yet. So why am I adding? So let's see. So right, stopped out here, right? So I'm in the red now. Took a little scalp right here, took off some of the loss, and I went off tilt here a little bit because this was a heavy share size, so I chipped away at my losses, right? I chipped away at it. So brought the losses back down with this little scalp right here, and it wasn't really much, but another little scalp right here as well, heavy size, brought down my loss again. So I was feeling, I guess, overly confident that I'm scalping. I don't know what was going through my mind, man. So I got the cold, and I guess I'm going off tilt much quicker today, and excuse me. So I tried this this short right here, which makes no sense. It's above upper VWAP, right? So that was a bad entry right there. Added to the bad position. The market is ripping up on me. I'm being stubborn. Added to the position right here above R3. Why am I adding above R3? I have no idea. Eventually caught myself stopped out right there. Let's see, stopped out at 148.15, right? So I actually told my friend, I think his name is Brian. Yeah, Brian C. I'm saying I think his name is my trading partner, Brian C. From Be Able Traders. I was telling him in our private chat that I'm probably gonna take a reversal when the level 2 flipped, right? So said, so done, because I'm already off tilt, revenge trading, or doing all the bad stuff today. So the level 2 did flip. I went heavy size right here. Took off some of the position right here. Let's see. What was that? I took 2 partials right there at 146.56, and then I took another partial right there at 145.88, and then I took another partial down here at 144.94, and eventually I trailed my stop down to just recoup my losses. So I really brought my losses down. So I brought it down to actually max loss. So I was in this trade right here, like all of this right here. Yeah, I was past max loss. I was off tilt revenge trade, and I was past max loss right there. So I actually brought it back down with this reversal trade right here off of R4, which is perfect, man. If I stuck to the rules and stuff like that, I would have a lot of profit, just catching if I did enter right here off of this rejection, which is the S3 rejection on the pop up, pop the short the pop, I would have gotten maybe like a break even trade, breaking above VWAP. And then if I just let it run back up to probably R3 and see what happens up here, like in the extremes, like how Tor tells you to, trade the extremes, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know why I'm not doing that. I don't know, man. I gotta get my stuff together. Especially as a Camarilla trader, I got these levels right here, and I'm not going with the levels, with the pivots. I'm just trying to do my own thing, So eventually saw the level 2 flip up here, and this was a good trade, partialing down here, got all the way to what was it again, at 144.98. And this was actually another little scalp right here. So that got me some because this was all out here at 145.90 from 148.24, and then I did another little scalp with the break of this low right here. So the level 2 was very bearish, so I took another little scalp. When it popped back up a little bit, I just closed out because I wasn't planning to stay long. I was probably trying to get a flush down to VWAP, and if it's holding above, if it's catching support at S1 at 144.59, I was just gonna be out right there. But I was looking for VWAP. you know. And yeah, today is just a bad day. I gotta go in my journal. Maybe I should not trade it today because I wasn't feeling too well and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a work in progress, man. So I hit max loss today, which is let's see, what is that? My max loss is 2 hour. Yep, my max loss is 2 hours. So I'm at 2 hour minus 2 hour today, and starting off the week red. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Alright, y'all, it's King Yediya, aka King Solomon, trying to stay wise in life and in these markets. Today wasn't one of those wise days, but hopefully I'll get it back tomorrow. Alright, y'all, trade safe and stay blessed.